Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2026 911 GT3 Touring. It's in slate gray Neo. It has the new bucket seats in it and a rear seat as well. See the rear spoilers extended at the moment. Black leather interior, cloth inserts in the buckets. These are the new buckets, so they do fold forward, which gives you better access to the rear area here, which is also equipped with rear seats, which is a first for the GT3s. As I mentioned, it's a brand new car, only 29 miles. It does have front axle lift and a 6-speed manual. Front axle lift is really nice because of speed bumps and driveways, and it has a memory setting so that if you want to save a location, it will remember that location and raise up the next time you're there automatically. New digital dash has a few different screens that you can go through. Here we got that was the traditional 5-dial. You have this 3-dial setup in which you can modify and change some of the items in the outer areas. Back in the center here, we've got one other screen here that we can go to. This is kind of a track-oriented display. If I press on this, I can rotate the tachometer. But if I want the red line up at the top, I can do that very easily. So just a really nice GT3 Touring. If you are looking for one of these in a manual, reach out, Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. That's 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.